Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, I'll be sharing with you how to find your way around your WebStarts account. Follow along by going to webstarts.com and logging in with your email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be in the All Sites view. Select the website you'd like to manage by clicking on the thumbnail. This view is called the dashboard, and there you'll be able to manage all your site-wide settings. Hover over the thumbnail and click Edit Site. This will open up the page editor where you can edit your web pages. Select a page to edit from the drop-down menu. Select Add New Page. You can start with a blank page, copy an existing page, or create one from a template. After making your selection, click Create Page, give your page a name, and click OK. When a page is created, it's added to your navigation menu. You can manage which pages are displayed and the order they're displayed by selecting Pages from the sidebar. By default, pages are made of 3 sections. The top of the page is referred to as the header, and the bottom of the page is referred to as the footer. The space in between is referred to as the body. Elements in the header and footer are displayed in the same location on each page of your site. This creates a cohesive experience for site visitors that's intuitive and easy to navigate. It's common to place your logo, business name, and navigation menu into your header and footer. Let's take a look at how to add and edit content on your page. Your pages are made up of elements. Elements are things like text, images, shapes, and more. Elements can be dragged and placed wherever you'd like them to be displayed. Each element is a layer and can be stacked on top of each other. When an element is selected, an attached toolbar appears. This toolbar provides quick access to common things you'd like to do with an element, like move the layer forward and backward. Clicking the pencil icon on the toolbar allows you to edit the element. While clicking the style icon allows you to change things that have to do with an element's appearance. And of course, clicking the trash can icon deletes an element from your page. Click the plus button from the sidebar to see a list of elements that can be added to your page. You can then add the element by clicking on it or by dragging it to where you want it to be displayed. When you're happy with your changes, click the Save icon to save and publish them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 2.